Good morning, beautiful. So it's almost 11:45 a.m. and I have made some like 3 chapatis for Rani. I'll give her 2 right now and keep 1 for later. And I've put cold pressed coconut oil on it, and which is smells amazing. And I have my oh my god, my coriander seeds and my fennel seeds and jeera seeds water, cumin seeds water ready. And I didn't poop really well today in the morning. What else? Yeah, I want my food to be digested properly. I think it's because I'm not waking. My sleep cycle is not, because sleep has a lot to do with digestion. So I'm sleeping at 4 and waking up at like 10:30, 11:30 in the morning. So I think that's because of that. Anyway, we are always a work in progress. So yeah. Hello, beautiful soul. I'm having my breakfast at 12:30 with oats, sattu powder, peanut butter, dates, coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, peanut butter, cinnamon, and I'm so grateful. And I want to eat it in calmness and peace, and I intend for my body to digest it very well. Yeah, digest the nutrients out of it really well, and like, yeah, if you are in a position to, you can also donate for my food, rent, electricity bill, mobile bill, my healthcare, self-care, and all the colors that I want to buy. I'm happy to receive that support from you. If my videos helped you, entertained you, teach you something good, definitely. Donation link is in my bio. Be generous, okay? And thank you in advance. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful. And you guys, Rani and I are going for a walk. I'm just gonna say this prayer. Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Kali, Ma Durga, Lord Hanumanji, Rani and I are going for a walk. Keep us safe in this walk. Make this walk very safer, prosperous, fun, magical, exciting for both of us. And walk with us, be present with us all the time, and bring both of us back safely to our home. You guys, it's 6:30 already, and I'm going out for a walk, and look at this guy eating. I think he didn't wanted me to record, but it's okay. I think I should also not have put the camera just like that. Anyway, I'm going out for a walk now, and yeah, want things to get moving, want my digestion to be perfect so that I can wake up in the morning and poop effortlessly. Tomorrow I will shower and wash my hair and dress up and look like a hottie. Today is just a basic fit. You guys, I have come out for a walk and it's about to rain, and God better pay my rent. Mother Earth better pay my rent, because I have done enough, okay? And I know it's gonna. By the way, the weather is... These trees must send that money in my bank account. I know. You know, all the money that I ever need to pay my rent and my groceries and all the other things, it must end up in, like, God must send that money in my bank account effortlessly, easily, joyfully. Yeah. Rani, you guys, what a blessing and a privilege to be, have the company of these trees, rivers, and mountains. Let me. They are my support system through my anxieties, through my worries, through, whenever there is intense situation, and they keep me calm. Like, no matter, they have given me this wisdom that no matter what is going on in life, how tough it is, what kind of fear, worry, don't let it shake you from inside. Like, choose play, choose calmness, and it's a choice to go out and to play. Like, it's a choice that when these fears is loud, when your anxiety is loud and it is convincing you how a certain situation, you deal it by coming out for a walk in nature. You don't sit in your room and let them get bigger and bigger and convince you that some like really of worst case scenarios. No, you come out for a walk in nature. You go out to be around children who are playing, even if you don't feel like you can play with them, but can you go outside in nature? That's how I dealt with, when I was going through the darkness of like, okay, I am about to lose my mom. I don't know whether she will live or not, whether she will make it or not. I don't know if I will get to see her or not. I don't know how everything is gonna, will I be on, how will I have the home, will I have. You find the strength in nature, you find the solution in nature, you find the courage, you find the inspiration, you find the right solution in nature. Okay, so go out for a walk, go out in fresh air, and let it guide you. Let it inspire something so beautiful inside of you, and the strength and that pain, that loneliness, that fears, those insecurities, you gotta bring them to the trees and the mountains and river bodies. Don't keep them in your heart and live with them. No. Just hugging my beautiful friend, this gigantic banyan tree. So beautiful, truly. I live for this, ever since my mom has passed away. These trees, and they have been my family for last 4 years, 5 years, sorry. And I just want to be with them forever. Like, look, so beautiful. Refuse to entertain any thoughts and scenarios of poverty, illness, lack in your mind. No, you're not about yourself and not about others also. You guys, I was walking and it was like literally right now I have turned on my phone flashlight, but it was really dark. And in the darkness, I saw the coin. And coins are like, angels drop the coins. When you find unexpected coin, unexpected places, or you hear the coin dropping, it's like angels sign for something so positive, auspicious change, pros- prosperous, and like, yeah. So, angels, these trees are angels. You guys, honestly, I do get really afraid. My heart and my stomach area, this all. Like, okay, what if my rent does not get paid? What then, What will happen? And just like that fear. But I talk about it. The reason why I share here is because it helps me to not go crazy. You know, I talk about it, I share it. Yeah, but I know like right now I'm standing in front of a temple only, so I know like God's got me, but it's very necessary for us as a human being to be that we are sharing our pain, our fears, and our shame, and whatever it is going on inside of us, we are talking about it and letting ourselves be heard, because just being by ourselves in our pain. Okay, guys, we are back at our home, and I filled my water, and it's time to say affirmations over my water. First of all, I'm grateful for the strength to fill my water bottle. Strength in my body to take my water bottle downstairs and like walk down the stairs and then fill it, and the strength in my body to bring it back home, like back to my place, like upstairs. Yeah, to have that strength. And okay, affirmation time. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses confidence in me. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses style. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses magic in me. I'm a goddess and I am making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I always have my rent and all the bills so effortlessly and joyfully paid in advance. I'm a goddess and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest health, highest happiness, highest joy, highest success, highest peace. I am a goddess and I am walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, making choices like a goddess, living in this world as a goddess, making choices like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I am a goddess and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their faith, their trust into me over and over again. I am a goddess and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their families, for their loved ones, for their friends. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them, to mentor them on their unique spiritual, creative, and life path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, to learn from me consistently, to experience the magic of my art, magic of my heart, magic of my creative creations, magic of my existence consistently. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to keep me happy and very well taken care of consistently. I am a goddess and I have goddesses' powers in me. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' confidence in me. I am a goddess and I have goddesses' style. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' magic in me. I'm a goddess and I am making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest health, highest success, highest happiness, highest joy, highest peace. I am a goddess, and people, and I, I'm a goddess and I have my rent and all the other bills so joyfully and effortlessly paid always in advance. I am a goddess and I am walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, moving in this world like a goddess, living this life as a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their trust, their faith into me over and over again. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their family, for their friends, for their loved ones. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to for me to guide them, mentor them on their unique spiritual, creative, and life path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, to learn from me consistently, to experience the magic of my heart, magic of my art, magic of my creative creations, magic of my existence consistently. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to keep me very well taken care of and happy consistently. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' powers in me. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' confidence in me. I am a goddess and I have goddesses' style. I am a goddess and I have goddesses' magic in me. I am a goddess and I am making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have my rent and all the other bills so effortlessly and joyfully paid always in advance. I'm a goddess and I always have the time, the energy, the money, the resources to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest health, highest happiness, highest success, highest peace. I am a goddess, and I'm walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, making choices like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, living in this world as a goddess. I'm a god. Wait a second, Rani. What happening? I'm a goddess, and stop. Rani is making these noises. I'm a goddess, and I am walking like a goddess, talking like a goddess, eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, waking up like a goddess, living this life as a goddess, moving in this world as a goddess. I am a goddess, and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess, and I have all the time, money, energy, resources to make choices that are in my highest good, highest health, highest joy, highest happiness, highest success. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed with pouring their time, their energy, their love, their money, their heart, their trust, their faith into me over and over again. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to channel magic paintings for them, for their families, for their loved ones. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully hiring me on repeat to guide them, to mentor them on their unique spiritual and creative and life path, and to share my psychic and spiritual insights with them. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to be in my energy consistently, to learn from me consistently, to experience the magic of my heart, magic of my art, magic of my creative creations, magic of my existence consistently. I'm a goddess, and people are joyfully paying any big amounts on repeat to keep me happy and very well taken care of consistently. रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे, लाए सजीवन लख जियाए। श्री रघुवीर रस उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई। तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि भाई, सहस बदन तुम्हरो सिगावे। अश कही श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा, नारद शारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ, एक कवि को विद कह सके. So it's about to be 2 again today, and I haven't slept early. I don't know why this keeps happening. I'm tired of being awake till late. I don't like this, really. I feel like I carry lot of, right now also I was stressed out about, like, oh my god, how I need to clean my clothes, I need to clean my home, I need to do this and do that, and then just stress. But I was just like, it's okay, everything will happen and I will manage it. I refuse to take any stress. Yeah, and there were fears like, okay, how do I get will I get the money for my rent or not? Will I have the money for the groceries and food or not? And all these stresses. What if, all of these things. Okay, anyway, I'm going to sleep now, and I just want to be grateful before sleeping. So I'm really grateful that gods and goddesses of self-love and gods and goddesses of good health inspired me to go take a walk in the evening, and it was so beautiful. Like, I'm so grateful to Mother Earth for just blessing me with the company of trees and river and mountains. I'm grateful for the cooking gas to cook that, I could cook my food today. I'm grateful to have the ginger, lemon, and beetroot to make my alkaline water that I drink, that I, drank today. I am grateful that I could take my, what do we say, the selfie stick out and record myself out in public and have myself be seen recording. Like, people were seeing me recording. So I'm just grateful that I had the confidence to do that, or even if I was scared, I had the courage to still do it, even though I was afraid. And another thing that I'm grateful for, that God created a way that I get to sleep with my dog. Yeah, just with extra bed sheets and the raincoat that I could put under the bed sheet, so that even if she pees, that it does not get on mattress. So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful to have the electricity that I could use induction to also cook my food. And I'm grateful that today I have dates and oats and, you know, the peanuts and all the things that I yummy things that I like to eat in breakfast. I have it for tomorrow and day after that. So that's such a beautiful gift. And what else? There's so many, I'm grateful for all the beautiful. I got 4 bananas today. So I'm grateful that I had the money in my bank account to make the payment for that. I'm grateful that the building that I live in is so clean. My landlady makes sure that everything is clean. May God bless her. May God bless her with right guidance, right resources, all the money that she requires, and right guidance on everything that she, so that she can be healthy, happiest, and her happiest self. And she can fulfill all of her heart's desires. Yeah. And I'm grateful for all the pinks in my life, truly. And for today, my prayer is that, dear God, gods and goddesses of self love, gods and goddesses of creativity, gods and goddesses of health, from the moment I wake up and to the time that I go to sleep, you inspire me, like you be the force behind my every action and every choice that I make. And Mother Earth, please pay my rent, send me the money, bring me right clients, aligned clients, and just keep bringing them to me every day, like sales coming, donations coming, and my rent paid, and there is always money available in my bank account, you know, like more than for my 4 5 years of rent, 4 5 years of groceries. Just, yeah. So thank you, Mother Earth, for making today so magical for me. Thank you, Mother Earth, for keeping me so deeply calm. Like, thank you, Mother Earth, for keeping my body in a deeply calming state, relaxed state. Okay, it's not close.